t-shirts and funky tops. Wear neat and clean clothes, but not fashionable ones. Be cleanly shaved on the day of interview. Look professional without overdoing it. In short, appearance should reflect the maturity as well as self confidence on the part of the candidate. Keep your keep your papers ready when you go to the interview. Candidate must be ready with all the papers, all the required documents which are to be presented in the interview. Candidate should prepare the interview file with required documents like interview letter, copies of your resume, original certificates like school living certificate, degree certificate, experience certificate, reference letters, your passport size photographs, etc. Of course, organize and arrange all these papers systematically in perfect order so that you can have any of it when it requires. Review your resume and be prepared to discuss your relevant skills. Bring an extra copy of your resume. You should also have a pen and paper while going for an interview. Decide who your references are. Selection of references. You have to decide who your references are. So, make a list of your references. They should be a current or past supervisor, co-worker, teacher, professor, an associate who knows you better, who has the knowledge of your work history, ability, strength, etc. Get permission to use their name in advance and collect their current contact information including email address. Before interview you better anticipate some questions so you may get it somewhat easy facing interview. So anticipate questions and think about examples and answers you could give. Your efforts to know the organization and the details of the position you are applying for help you anticipate the questions that may be asked. Rehearse the frequently asked questions. What type of questions can be asked in interview? Of course, we are going to discuss the frequently asked questions in the next slide. Learn to say right thing in right way. Also be ready with a few questions on which you would want to have clarifications from the interviewers. So ask questions for clarification to the interviewers if necessary, if you feel required. In short, the candidate should be well prepared before interview. Read newspapers and magazines. Read newspapers and magazines because candidates are often asked questions about general knowledge, current affairs, practical knowledge, etc. in interview. Therefore, you should update your knowledge by reading newspapers and magazines prior to interview. It is also advisable to watch news channels on TV in order to enhance your overall knowledge. Common probable questions. The candidate should be familiar with common probable questions that can be asked at interviews. Open questions. These are typically open-ended questions. They are asked generally at the beginning of the interviews. The candidates are free to answer widely on the topic. Example Gracia, tell us something about yourself. Give your answer to the best of your ability. You may answer like this: I am so and so. I am an excellent communicator. I enjoy working with others. I am a team player with experience in solving problems. I know the value of responsibility. Closed questions. Closed questions means where the candidate has to give particular answer. Yet the candidate is not free to answer widely. Instead of it, exact and accurate answer is required. Example, Gracia, what is your expected salary? Then you have to answer to the point. When will you resume your job? When will you join your job? So you have to answer such questions accurately in one word or one sentence. Clarity questions. The main purpose of clarity questions is to find out the subject clarity of a candidate. Here the candidate has to talk widely about his subject. Candidate's efficiency can come out by subject knowledge. So revision of subject knowledge will help the candidate before appearing for an interview. Situational questions. Situational questions are situation based questions. Such questions are asked to judge the candidate's ability to handle difficult and sensitive situations. Example, Ricia, how will you handle the situation in case of decline in the cell? Frequently asked questions. What do you want to look for in a job? You can frame your answer like this: I am looking forward to an opportunity that helps me to grow as a professional and enables me to serve the organization. Have you applied for other jobs? You have to answer yes, but also add, I have given first preference to your company. Why do you want to work for this company? Stress the positive aspects of the target company. Why should we select you for this job? You have to answer, I know how to work. I have demonstrated I am responsible. I have leadership skills and experience. I want to use the skills I have learned, including critical thinking, communication, teamwork, discipline, etc. What are your strengths? This is a very good question. In answering this question, stress on skills and experience that are relevant to the post. Also tell them your ability to work under pressure, inquisitiveness to know new things, ability to work cooperatively, good interpersonal skills. Tell them also about your cooperative nature. What is your weakness? This is also a very popular question. Be confident answering this question and turn your weakness into your strength. Pick a weakness that is harmless to the job. For example, emotional nature, highly ambitious, never wants to be a loser, etc. Do you have any question for us? Don't forget to ask a question because it shows that you are interested in this job. You may ask any question about the company or the job you have applied for. Language clarity and suitability. Answer all the questions clearly and completely with language clarity. Use past tense while talking about your study, your academic record. Example, Gracia, I did my graduation from so and so college in so and so year. Also use past tense when you are talking about your past employers with whom you are no longer working. Example, Gracia, I worked, I served as an assistant teacher at Sir Pratap High School, Eder during second term last year. Use present tense, use simple present tense, or use continuous present tense while talking about your current jobs or current courses. Example is here, I am doing a course in communication skills at Center for English Language Training at Satellite Ahmedabad. Use present perfect continuous tense or present perfect tense while you are talking about the organization with whom you are working at present. Example is here, I have been working as a counselor at Genius Study Center, Navrangpura, Ahmedabad. Use correct grammar and good diction. This is also very important during the interview. Say yes, not yeah. Don't feel possessed with ah, etc. Don't punctuate sentences with you know, okay, you see, etc. In short, you should be professional. You should use professional language during the interview. Before the interview, find out the exact location where the interview will be held, obtain clear directions, and estimate the travel time. That is, how long will it take to reach there. Find out the right mode of transport to reach there. Plan to reach the venue 15 to 20 minutes early and get accustomed to the surroundings. Reaching the venue early for the interview will give you enough time to collect your thoughts and calm yourself down, calm your nerves down before the big event. So make sure that you are there at least 15 to 20 minutes ahead of the scheduled interview time. General tips during the interview: be friendly, be courteous. You must appear friendly, confident, courteous, enthusiastic. Use polite expressions. Greet the interviewer with a warm smile as soon as you enter the interview room. Highlight yourself. Highlight your qualifications and experience. Give concrete examples of what makes you an ideal candidate. Maintain a positive outlook, positive attitude, and emphasize your strengths. Prepare your introduction and key points. This introductory speech is your 2-minute opportunity to enlighten the interviewers about yourself and what you have to offer. Make a list of your strengths. Also, talk about your weaknesses and how you are trying to overcome them. Listen to the questions carefully and give clear, concise, and thoughtful answers. Respond to the questions with specific examples whenever possible. Use minimum words to produce the maximum effect, but do not be too stingy in the use of words. Avoid monosyllabic sentences. If you don't answer the question, if you don't understand the question, you may ask for clarification. You don't have to hesitate or afraid to ask the interviewer for clarification. This is a conversation. Remember, a good and ideal conversation is always a two-street. Never say anything negative about anyone. You do not have to offer negative information. Answer clearly and completely with enough information. Keep the answers to the point. Pause and think before answering. So you do not have to answer in hurriedly. Take a moment to think before you respond to difficult questions. Organize your thoughts so you don't ramble. Keep answers to the point. Remember, each question is an opportunity to let them know more about you. How you engage is as important as what you say. Convey your interest in the organization. When the interview is over, thank the interview panel for the time and consideration before leaving the room. Be aware of your body language. Walk slowly on entering the interview hall. So you don't have to enter the interview hall hurriedly. Maintain even speed. Stay relaxed as soon as you face the interview. Keep your head up and look straight. So your head should be upright, and you should look straight before the interviewers. Sit upright and lean forward too much. Sit upright, lean forward to show interest, but of course, do not lean forward too much. Avoid leaning back. Be aware of your posture. Maintain eye contact, but do not stare at the interviewers. Positive body language. Positive body language means positive entry. You should never be nervous while entering the interview room. Show enthusiasm. The interviewer should feel that you are enthusiastic candidate. Leaning forward is a mark of positive body language. Be relaxed and wear smiles on face. Be attentive. Also do alert nodding. Whenever the interviewer asks you question, you have to show alert nodding if you are getting the idea, if you are getting the concept. Direct eye contact with the interviewers. Use hand movement